massive voyages, the Columbian exchange started to happen, and this was the exchange of plants, animals, and diseases between Europe and the Americas. There were a few of the biggest consequences were that new plants changed the ecosystems because these countries had never seen these certain plants, and new germs killed Native Americans. As far as the animals go, there were cattle, sheep, goats, and pigs introduced to the Americas, and they've reproduced at an alarming rate because it was grasslands and like farmland everywhere, and there were no predators. They didn't really have certain animals yet, so it was just a ton of animals reproducing everywhere. And this provided food and milk for Europeans, but this was unfamiliar to Native Americans, so they kind of thought it was pretty weird. But they eventually got used to it. Food plants was corn, potatoes, squash, and potatoes were of American origin, and those were brought to Europe. And between both places, seeds were brought on boats, and this is kind of what changed ecosystems. Diseases was mostly smallpox, and consequences, obviously many died because they weren't used to this sickness. Hispaniola, which is today's Haiti and Dominican Republic, fell from 1 million. The population was about 1 million before Columbus to only a few thousand in 1530. So if you remember me just saying that Columbus arrived in 1492, that didn't take long for about almost 1 million people to die. All right, moving on.